To switch from Wix to Wix Studio, you need to understand the key differences between the two platforms. Wix is a website builder designed for individuals and small businesses, while Wix Studio is a more advanced platform geared towards web designers and agencies. First, log into your Wix account and click on the Wix Studio tab. If you do not see the Wix Studio tab, you may need to upgrade your account to access it. Once you have accessed Wix Studio, you will see a dashboard with various tools and features. Next, create a new site in Wix Studio by clicking on the Create a Site button. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. Wix Studio offers more advanced design and development tools, so take some time to explore the different features and options. Now, export your existing Wix site by going to the Wix website builder and clicking on the settings icon. Select the export option and choose the format you want to export your site in. You can export your site as a zip file or as individual files. Then, import your exported site into Wix Studio. To do this, click on the Import Site button and select the file you exported earlier. Wix Studio will automatically import your site and all its content. After importing your site, review and update the design and layout as needed. Wix Studio offers more advanced design options, so take some time to customize your site and make it look professional. Finally, publish your site in Wix Studio by clicking on the Publish button. Your site will be live and available to the public. Remember to test your site thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. By following these steps, you can easily switch from Wix to Wix Studio and take advantage of the more advanced features and tools it has to offer. With Wix Studio, you can create professional-looking websites with ease and take your web design skills to the next level.